If you are designing a website or already have a website, but you see that things are not going well with maybe the design, security, or its performance, and you want to take everything back to default, that is start all over again, this video may be helpful. Because in it, I'm going to show you how to reset a WordPress site to default. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So this is the website I want to reset to default. The design is not going well and I want to start all over. However, it should be noted that when you reset your website to default, everything about your design will be erased. So to reset this website, I go to the back end of my website. Then I go over to plugins, click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for WP Reset. This is the plugin I'm going to install, WP Reset by Web Factory Limited. I click on install now. I go ahead and activate. The plugin is installed and activated successfully. Scrolling down, I can click on Open WP Reset Tools, or I can go over to Tools, then I click on WP Reset. It should be noted that some of the features in here are for the pro version of the plugin. For this tutorial, we are only going to concentrate on the free version of the plugin. So I scroll down to Site Reset, and from here to indicate the current theme on your website, which is Astra in my case, and it will give you the opportunity to reactivate the Astra theme after the reset. So if you don't want to use the Astra theme again, you leave it unchecked. Do you want to reactivate the WP Reset plugin after the reset? If the answer is yes, then you leave this checkbox checked. If you don't need the plugin, you go ahead and uncheck it, and that is what I'll do. Finally, you also have the opportunity to reactivate all currently active plugins. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and leave all these checkboxes unchecked. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue. Next, in the confirmation field, I go ahead and type in reset. Then I click on reset site. Are you sure you want to reset the site? My answer is yes, so I click on reset, and resetting is in progress. And boom, it is done. Now if I go to themes, you see that the current theme on my website is the 2022 theme. If I go over to plugins, I have all these plugins which are not activated. Awesome. So the design you saw during the introduction of this video is no more on my website. If I go to the front end of my website, you see that I have the 2022 theme. Perfect. So that's it on how to reset a WordPress site. Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next one.